So Orlando Pirates 2 Polokwane City nil. It is an MTN 8 match. And yeah, as you all can see right now, my energy is currently down because I'm actually like a Kosi fan, yabo. But I'm supposed to do this thing. I even want to swear right now, but I'm ain't gonna swear or anything. So yeah, I'm actually like it was actually torturing, I don't wanna lie, because I just needed to watch the whole match and stuff, and I just need to say Guti, like it was a beautiful match from like side the Orlando Pirates. They are playing like beautiful football. The first 15 minutes, it was a great performance from like their side. But honestly, in this game, I didn't like actually see anything like really like Bayenza and stuff. And then yeah, later on, really they tried, but it was already late. And another thing, it was just at Escotini. And another thing is that shout out to the Asuna Police. He actually like made a mark on his debut team, which is crazy. Imagine scoring against like your previous team, your first goal, yeah. So yeah, I don't have like not much to say. And the sad thing is that like my first official video, I'm actually doing it doing match and Pagani, yeah, and hopefully works over like into a course, but we didn't qualify, but even though like they were actually dissing us stuff and they've been trolling during the week and stuff. And they better win this MTNA, they better win this MTNA because if they don't, they won't like get peace from us about Kosi family. So hope the next video I'll be more energized and stuff. Tomorrow I'll be making a reaction video here and to him. It's sundown. So yeah, you all stay tuned, subscribe. Let's grow the channel. We're currently on 700 and something subscriber. Let's get to 800. And yeah, let's do this thing. Okay, let me get to the match again. Oh, another thing that I actually forgot to say, I wanted to name my man of the match for this match. So I'll actually give it to Asuna Police because of like the first goal and also like Utiele one who was actually involved on the second goal by like into a tackle. So yeah, and then if like it wasn't him, I was going to give it to the Master Chef, the one and only Supembule, which is like the only player. I don't know, like he's the only player actually feeling guilty. To go to Aiko Silingam Sainanga. But yeah, see Koda, we just need to keep it positive and yeah, let's see.